Here's how to participate in Lincoln City Library's reading challenges from your phone or tablet. It's free, and there are prizes for all ages. Go to your device's app store and download the Beanstack Tracker app. Run the Beanstack app and click Let's Go. This is a sign-up process that you only have to do once. Then the app will be easy to use. Select the first option, School, Library, or Bookstore. Select Find a Site. In the search box, type in Lincoln City Libraries, or your favorite local library branch. Either way, you'll see a list. Select Lincoln City Libraries with NE for Nebraska in parentheses. You should now be at the sign-in screen with the City of Lincoln, Nebraska logo. If you've already signed up for Beanstack on a computer, you can enter your username and password here. But let's see how to make a new account. Select Sign Up toward the bottom of the screen. Make up a username and password. It's a good idea to write these down. Put in your name, or at least your first name. On these pages, remember to select the blue Continue button on the bottom to continue. You can skip putting in an email address and phone number if you want, but the library does need to reach you through one of these contact methods if you win a prize drawing. You can pick your favorite library branch here if you want, but you're signing up with a citywide reading challenge no matter what you pick, so you can pick up your registration and completion prizes at any Lincoln City Libraries branch. Yay! You've made a Beanstack account. One account can track reading challenge progress for multiple readers, usually multiple family members. Select Fill out my reader profile to add yourself as a reader. Select your age. Add a reader photo here if you want. Beanstack asks for grade level for everyone. For college students and adults, scroll to the bottom of the list and select Adult. For kids and younger teens, select current grade or the next grade if on summer break. Again, you can select your favorite library branch or leave this blank. This screen shows current reading challenges. Select Register. You can choose to have book recommendations emailed to you on this screen or say, no thanks. Now that you've set up an account and set yourself up as a reader, you can add other readers to the account, or you can add them later. When you finish adding readers, select I'm done adding readers. This is your main page. Here's a quick tour. Click on the circle with initials on the upper right corner to switch readers. Click the blue plus sign on the bottom to log reading time, check off activities, or review books. When logging reading time, you can select one reader or multiple readers. Maybe you're reading together as family or friends. To select a book, you can scan the ISBN barcode on the back, search for it by name, write in book information manually, or just say that you had reading time without saying what it was. Once you save a book to your profile, it will be quicker to select it the next time you log reading. Start reading session is a good option if you like to use a timer when reading begins and ends. Log past reading is a good option if you like to do the reading first, then tell the Beanstack app about it afterwards. Select the Discover icon on the bottom to see an overview of the reading challenge. This will tell you how much reading time and how many activities are required to complete the challenge. Simply check off activities when they've been done. Some activities have a link for more information. Select Rewards for information about which rewards you've earned and how to pick them up. On the same screen, select Drawings to spend any tickets you've earned by participating. You can put all of your tickets into one drawing to maximize your chance, or spread them out. You can change around which drawings your tickets are assigned to until the end date of the drawing. Winners will be notified by the phone number or email address in their reader profile. Explore other areas of the app for features like adding friends. We hope you enjoy using the Beanstack app to participate in Lincoln City Library's reading challenges.